Hi pilots! Just a quick video about what I'm currently working on. I've been watching some videos about ornithopters and today I decided that I will try to make one myself. So I started with making this reduction gear assembly. For this I'm using parts from this helicopter V911S. So here is a motor. These are two main gears. I'm using a hollow main shaft. I cut the main shaft in two pieces. Because the main shaft is hollow, I was able to use this second spore gear with a small pin, and I pushed this pin into the hollow shaft and secured it with a red thread locker. At this side I am using just one bearing. Here I'm using two bearings inside. Here are two metal pieces that are also secured inside the hollow shaft with a red thread locker. Because these two metal pieces will be connected to the main wing, there will be a lot of torque to be handled here. So I hope that the red thread locker will be able to provide that lock to transfer the torque into the wings. This is the board also from this helicopter. I'm thinking about using just one servo, that will act as a rudder here. Now I will show you how this works. This is 100% throttle. I hope that this frequency of wing flapping will be enough. Now I will be able to increase a little the frequency with using a high voltage LiPo, but not. I hope that this will be enough. So what do you think, guys? Will this work? I hope so. I will let you keep updated. So see you soon, guys.